How to create a sign-up form in Mailchimp. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Log into Mailchimp and go to the Audience tab. Click Sign Up Forms and choose the type of form you want to create. 2. Customize the form fields by adding necessary information like name, email, and any other details you need. Keep it simple to encourage more signups. 3. Adjust the form design to match your brand by changing fonts, colors, and layout. You can do this within Mailchimp's Form Builder. 4. Enable GDPR compliance by adding a consent checkbox if required. This ensures that your subscribers agree to receive emails from you. 5. Copy the form link or embed code. If you choose a hosted form, Mailchimp provides a direct URL you can share. If embedding, copy the HTML code. 6. Add the form to your website or social media. Paste the embed code into your site or share the link on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. 7. Test the form by signing up with a test email. Check that new contacts are added to your Mailchimp audience correctly.